company name is AAA Cooling Specialist, and the primary focus of our business is heating and air conditioning for light commercial and residential properties. We do repair, maintenance, and replacement. What drives my success personally is, I think, hard work, dedication, those daily habits, as well as just surrounding myself with people that are other business owners that can inspire me to be better than I am. And on the employee side, I think just making sure that I appreciate them, respect them, and understand things through their eyes so that I can motivate them to be the best that they can be. So I think our team is a big part of our success as well. We offer preventative maintenance to make sure the air conditioning system is working to the manufacturer's specifications and the homeowner knows, what they can expect for the future. We also replace systems for, more efficient systems, as well as indoor air quality and ductwork as well, so the ventilation of the home. The value add for the chamber membership that drives our success, I think, is just the people that you meet and the relationships that you make and the business owners that we get to collaborate with and help each other with resources, creating relationships to help the community. And I think it's really neat to be able to see and have that inside scoop on what is going on in Scottsdale and seeing these people that have created the community here over their years' work. It's really, really rewarding and neat. So for our future, we do, share our vision with the team. I think that's a big part of just getting everybody rowing in that same direction. And our future, we are looking to basically double our business in the next 4 years and add plumbing as well. Our best kept secret is probably our AAA Cooling Cares program. So we started this about 3 years ago. That is the program where we help people in need that need air conditioning. Maybe it's struggling or just won't work and they can't afford to replace it. We go out and we give them a whole new system so that they can have nice, cool air. We just did a military family. He actually served in 3 branches of the military, which is really awesome. They were just in tears of joy, and so we were their angels and so happy and comfortable in their home after that. So that was a really cool experience to be able to be a part of that.